We about to ask ChatGPT what is the best ICT SMC strategy to trade. And guys, I already asked it. It's my strategy now. Motherfucker had me dancing like, on it my, on it my, cause why? Cause that shit so lit. That shit is good and deadly. Okay, in this video, we're gonna ask ChatGPT. Then I'm gonna backtest the strategy, show the results, and I'm gonna tell y'all something afterwards. But y'all gotta stick to the end of the video, okay? Come on. Is the best ICT slash SMC strategy to trade liquidity sweeps, because we only trade liquidity sweeps now. And let's see what the mommy. Oh my gosh! Every single time I record a video, that's when everybody in the house wanna be loud.
Many hours later.
Okay, let's get into it. Boom. All right, here's a simple step-by-step trading plan based on the ICT and SMC trading strategy. Okay, so understanding market structure. Now, of course, this is self-explanatory. Higher highs, higher lows, lower low, higher low, lower low, you know what I'm saying? But look, we're going to get into it when we backtest it, so I can show you how we do the market structure thing. Identify order blocks. This is very important. I have my way of identifying order blocks. I like to see a lot of momentum within the order blocks, and that's basically what an order block is. Yes, I know, but most people, they don't care about that. They just take whatever order block look like an order block, and I don't agree with that. Okay, all right. Tá compreende? Okay, tá aprende. 3. Wait for market to return to the order block. Use premium and discount zones. Objective. Trade in the discount zone when buying and in the premium zone when selling. Okay, this is self-explanatory. Now, step 5. Nah, this is what I like. Check for liquidity pools. Objective. Look for potential areas where price might move to collect liquidity, stop losses from traders. Okay, so I assume you first want to look for an order block, and then you want to, wait for liquidity to be built right above the order block. So yeah, that's basically what I do as well. What I like to see as liquidity pools, I like to see either double bottoms, triple bottoms, it could be quadruple bottoms or 10 touches on the trend line. The more touches, the better. And preferably, I like it to be previous day low, previous day Asia low, previous week low, or it could be even previous month low. All right, it could be that too. But the most important thing about it all, guys, is that it has double bottoms or triple bottoms or quadruple bottoms. All right. 6. Wait for confirmation of entry. Objective. Wait for a confirmation signal before entering the trade. Look for confirmation in the form of a price action pattern, such as an engulfing candle, rejection candle, volume spikes, or an order flow shift. A market structure shift is when price breaks a significant level. Okay, simple, very simple. 7. Use stop loss and risk management. Place your stop loss just below, above the recent swing high low, or slightly outside the order block. Use proper risk management. Risk no more than 1-2% of your balance per trade. Okay. Then 8. Take profit. Target liquidity pools, previous structure high lows, or key FIP levels. You can use a risk to reward ratio of at least 1-2 or 1-3. We finna go for 1-3 in this video. Trade with the trend, which is obvious. And then the 10th, this is the most important one of it all, guys. You have to review and analyze your trades, because at the end of the day, it's not the fucking strategy that will make you profitable. It's the other way around. It's you making a strategy profitable. If Steph Curry teach how to shoot a basketball, that don't mean you're going to be able to shoot the basketball just like Steph Curry, all right? I wish it was like that. Then I would be playing the NBA right now, and I won't be over here recording this fucking YouTube video. But we here now. Now the key points is market structure, order blocks. We want to make sure we buy in fucking discount, sell in premium. And then we want to identify liquidity pools as to where the market might want to draw to next. And last but not least, risk management. So, okay, very simple steps. All right, let's get into it. Let's back test it and let's see how this motherfucker is. Let's get into the setups that I'm going to be taking. This is a prime example, okay? Now, you see, we have a lower high, lower low, break structure, higher high. Over here, we have liquidity, right? Liquidity. And these are the types of order blocks I want to be using. You see how this order block has a lot of momentum. If I go down to a lower time frame, see, look, I like to use order blocks that look like this, where you have like real down pushes and then a real up move. And you see you have a inverse fair value gap over here with a big fair value gap over here. So this makes this a balanced price range, and that's what I really like to see in price action, especially in these order blocks, right? Then as soon as we get the tap of the order block, I'm gonna just be buy stopping this over here with a market structure shift to the upside over here. Okay, so I just picked a random timing price, and now we're just gonna keep on back testing. I will back test New York session, and I will only take these types of setups, and then we're gonna see the results if this is actually profitable or not. So basically, what I will be doing is I will do my top down analysis starting from the weekly, go down to the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. Then I'll be executing my trades from the 15-minute charts and the 5-minute charts. All right, so I'll be looking for 15-minute return on order blocks and then 5-minute or even 1-minute market structure shifts. Okay, guys. So whenever I'm about to take a trade, I will walk through it. Here's liquidity. Here's the order block, premium discount, blah 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 blah. Now we're gonna manage it. And then when I'm doing my buys and shit like that, I'm gonna speed it up. And y'all gonna see this shit speed up like a motherfucker speed up. You know? Okay, come. Let's get right into it. Let's go. Shit, nigga. Doing all that talking. All right, so now what we've got is I've got this order block over here. As you can see, it swept liquidity, it has volume. Then I did my market structure shift, my buys of course, and the buys is for us to go bearish right now. And now we're in premium of this entire range. If you look at this range from boom, this is premium, right? And we're over here right now. So now let's see how this trade gonna work out. And now I'm just waiting for a market structure shift, which is going to be there. And we've got liquidity to target over here. We've got previous day low over here, and it's Wednesday. So let's take this trade, man. I like this trade. I love it. All right. Now here, I will be going break even at 1 to 1 R. That's what I would be doing. 1 to 1 R. I go break even, and then I target 3 R as my hard TP. Okay. All right, let's go. Okay, the first trade hit TP. Nice, nice, easy and very simple trade right here. Now I'm gonna do 9 more trades of these, exactly this, and then I'm gonna update y'all after I've done the 9 trades, because I'm not gonna be doing all these trades. Y'all don't want to see my black ass take all these trades, right? Hey, I'm gonna start live streaming. So when I start live streaming, y'all can see me in real time doing this shit too. All right, cool. Okay. All right, so the bias is still bearish for me, and I'm looking for sells all the way down there. So let's see, right? All right, no trade for me this day. No problem. Now over here, we've got price that tapped this order block right there. Like right here, you see price tap this order block, but I'm not really interested in looking for buys because the bias is bearish as fuck. I like this order block because, you know, in terms of where we at in the range, I really like how it swept liquidity and then push price lower from here. And then, you know, it bounced over here. Now price is bouncing. So I would like to see price sweep this liquidity to come back here and to then go back lower. So yeah, just gonna wait it out, man. Let's see, bro. And look at this shit. It went up here, went down. And I think if I would have went down to like a 5 minute, I would have had maybe 3 minute, 1 minute, I would have had a 3R trade right here. But look, guys, picking order blocks, this shit will come with experience because you have a lot of order blocks on the charts. And I'm telling you, picking the wrong one, you will get clapped back to back. All right. But because of all the experience I have and I know where I got to look for order blocks, where I don't have to look for it, this is why I know exactly that this was going to hold. Now, I didn't know it was going to hold exactly. It could have been a loss as well. But the probabilities of it holding, I knew this was high. All right, caught my first loss. So here, let me go over it. I did my market structure, bias, and I had the bias to go bullish from here. Then we had an order block right here. I liked it because how it pushed all the way down. It had equal lows over here, but I wasn't worried about it. Why? Because of all the liquidity we had here. So this had the potential to just come here, come down over here on this order block, and then push up. You know what I'm saying? Because it did it here, it did it here, and I thought, okay, boom, come here and then go up. It was in discounts, as you can see. Draw from here until here. You tap the discounts. and we had liquidity to target. We had a market structure shift, and this is a loss. So it's cool. On to the next. On to the next. Okay, so boom, while I took this trade, here we have it. We're frying the order block within this big ass order block, right? Okay, maybe I entered too soon here, but it's okay. You ended up sweeping this over here. So now we have this as liquidity to target. We have this still as our target to target. If I go down to the 3 minute, 1 minute, we have a market structure shift over here with a lot of displacement. I like this. And we're also still in discount. So now just gotta take the trade, see what happens, right? Oh, this is a big ass loss, big loss. It's okay though, it's okay.
A few moments later.
So I'll leave the backtest session at this. Now to recap everything, I didn't take this trade, but I'm 100% sure that if you just stick to doing this, you'll be profitable. You'll be extremely profitable. This is actually my strategy right here, and we're 1% in profit. 1 win, 2 losses. And if you would have taken this right here, would have been a 3R trade, would have been up by 4%. Now, this is what I wanted to show y'all. My funded next account. Now, I fucked up my last challenge, okay, because of emotions and trying to pass this and rush this shit too fast. But now, guys, like dead ass, I'm gonna just reset this shit and I'm gonna pass this motherfucker. Like dead ass, like for real. Like I'm keeping it 100 now, bro. I know I've said it so many times in the past, but now it's like, my girl left me. It's like I'm hungry for this shit, dog. You feel me? So, oh man, I can't wait till we start this fucking challenge, y'all. So we gonna reset this challenge here. Reset request, and I'm gonna pay for this stuff. On the next video, y'all already know what we finna be doing, dog. We gonna be motherfucking live trading my challenge, and we gonna pass it. Stay tuned for the next one. Stay blessed. Holla.